Today we're going to look at the installation of the VIS Racing carbon fiber hood. It is a vented hood. I got it from Sportec Motorsport at a much cheaper price than VIS was selling it for, with free shipping. The box was very well packed, and they used some wood insert to protect the corners. And even though the box got damaged by the transporter, the hood wasn't damaged when it arrived. So the installation is pretty straightforward. You first have to remove your hood. So to remove the hood on the RS4, you pop the clip here so that you will be able to pop the strut. You have a nut at the top and the bottom. You can see on the other side. Already removed the top one here. You can see the bottom one. And on the driver's side, the top one is easily accessible here. You have the hoses for the sprayers, so you have to lift this up, push it up, and then you can take it out. This way you have the hose coming here. And now we'll have, I think, to pop here and here. So I'm gonna get a little screwdriver. So here, once you pop the plastic out, you have an electrical connector. So here are the two connectors. So here just a press fit, so this one just pops out like this. And for the electrical connector, you just press on the tab at the top and slide it out. That's it. So now I did that on both sides. The other one is over there. And I should be able now to pull this in. And here now I'm just pulling from this side. Make sure the second one fits through here. And you can get your wiring harness. So now we have access to the bottom nut, and we will be able to pop the hood out. So here it's much easier if you have a second person to I did put the hood flat and started the nut by hand, then tightened them as I was going to kind of align the hood. Then once you have it in place, you can reattach the strut. The VIS hood actually has a provision for the hood struts, and there is no hole here. So here you can see the shape of the hole for getting the wire through, so I'm gonna have to drill that. So here I'm just using a little electrical wire to fish the connector through. So here you go. Once you fish this through, the other connector will also come in here. So now I have both of them ready in here through the hole, and I'm going to be able to put the plastic connector back in place. But I'm going to adjust the hood first, so I'm not going to cover this right now. I'll finish the adjustment of the hood to make sure it's exactly where I want it, and then I'll complete that. But for now, I'm going to put the sprayer back in. So left and right are not the same. They have one sprayer that goes straight and one for the edge. So like this one is a passenger side. When I put it here, the straight is going to go, the inside one is going to go toward the center of the windshield, and this one is going to put on the side to get the side of the windshield. So here I use my Dremel, and I did cut two little openings here to match the two knobs here, so I could actually insert this and clip it in. It is still a very tight fit, but it works by just doing the two notches in the back. And here you can see it now in place. The two notches. So the last piece to transfer are those proper adjuster. So you unscrew them from the old hood and you come and screw them back in here, and we will adjust the height. So there are four of them. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the fit is okay, but not that great. There's quite a big gap compared to the stock hood. So I centered it the best I could to have the same gap on both sides, but it's a much larger gap than you get with the factory hood. So it's an okay fit. The vents are not that huge, so we'll see how much of a difference that makes. But they are functional. So they are open here, and if you look on the inside, you have duct here and ducting on the side, and they sealed it with, that's an add-on piece that they have. It's not really properly sealed here. It just stuck on top and bolted through. So we'll see. It might flap a bit. Might have to seal the edges with silicone. Then we install my hood pins and drill through for the hood pins. I already have another videos on the hood pins, but basically if you want to know where to drill on the hood, just put a dab of grease on top of each hood pin, bring the hood down to get an impression on the hood on each hood pin, and this way you will know where the hood pin hits and where you have to drill. So here is a completed install with the hood pins. Here you can pull the pins. At the bottom I have my washer, windshield washers also installed in the hood. You can see that the carbon fiber cover just stop here at the edge. The edge is here in the fender. Don't have the finish, but here is what it looks like. Here I have the latch. I did cut the locking mechanism for the hood pins because I'm not allowed to have a latching mechanism for racing. And here we go. Just my regular hood pins.